Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Refuses to Exit Plane, Gets Dragged Off."
On September 23rd, 2025, airport officers were dispatched to a gate after a woman refused to deplane from a Frontier Airlines flight.
Call? She's on the plane.
She's on the plane?
Yes, she's not wanting to get off the plane.
Okay.
Yes. She's
Always Frontier or Spirit.
Flight attendants are the ones that called it and stuff? Okay. Yeah, I'll go down there. Come on. Hey there.
So the 1 and 4 on the left-hand side.
4 on the left-hand side?
Yep.
They're within
the brown.
the brown? Okay.
Yep.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hey, I need you to get up and come with me.
Why?
Because you're not going to be on this flight, so I need you to get up and come with me, okay? Do what?
Yeah, reason.
Because you're not allowed on this flight.
Reason.
They're not letting you on this flight. That's my reason. So you're not allowed to be on this flight. Now, come on. So we can do this 2 ways. You can come off this flight with me, or...
As I asked them, they wanted some food.
Okay. I'm not going to talk about it with you here. You can come off the flight with me, or I can clear everybody out, and then I can drag you off the plane.
Clear everybody out.
Okay.
Nobody's
So,
going to know.
can you come down here, please? So she's obviously not going to come willingly here.
Yep.
So we're
Damn, I love her hair. Fuck what they talking about, man. I love her hair. Man, I feel bad for Frontier and Spirit and those type of airlines and stuff like that, man. These flight attendants, they be so decent and stuff, and they got to deal with such low class, man.
We're gonna have to remove her off the plane. Do you want to clear out the area, or
It is your choice. We will leave it completely up to you. Whatever you're more comfortable.
Because my worry is that if she starts, flying,
Right.
kind of hit somebody else. So if we could just kind of clear
The first 4 rows.
the first 4, and then maybe the couple behind in case she flings something back.
Yep. Absolutely. Absolutely.
See, now I like that decision. The officer ain't clearing the whole plane, just a couple of the rows. With some officers, they'll deboard the whole plane, and it's really a pain.
Can you come on it?
Just lay you in the light.
Sorry, where you guys heading to?
Denver.
Denver?
Yeah.
No, she's not making it out of Nashville today, it seems like.
Oh, you messed up all day. Oh, yeah, GPS. Oh, well.
Just the first couple rows. Sorry we had to do this to you guys. I just don't want anybody getting hit by anything if she starts swinging or something,
We understand.
I'll see this out.
Don't want them getting hit when we got to get them together.
I actually have a f***ing bomb, so no one's going anywhere.
Cool. All right. Perfect.
Watch out. Watch out. An arrow, but
Yeah, what?
All right. Let's go.
And they said, oh, you want to... It's going to explode.
Let's go. We're not gonna joke like that.
It's going to explode. Oh, it's going to explode. It's right there.
Get her together, man.
Hey, it's behind your back. Thank you.
Fun, huh? Yeah, she said she had a bomb on the plane. So that's fantastic. That's just another charge. Good job, lady. Can I disconnect this or am I cutting it?
Back is still
You want to
out
rub?
there. It's still there.
All right, you guys find it different. Get off.
No, bomb is still there. I promise God.
Just keep making it worse. Hey, take this. Hey, Jordan, hold up a sec. If you can get her, I'm gonna grab her legs because she's gonna pull us both off of this. If you can get her torso.
I could just walk.
No, you've already proven you can. Come on. Really? Stop hooking your feet. Back off your feet.
How you get?
Here, I'll go.
Here, let me get on that side and I can help you.
Wow.
Yo.
You want me to act right?
So, move the feet. Now hand her on. Now pick this up. Okay.
Teamwork make the dream work, boys.
Jordan, you need a hand down there? You good?
I'm good. Your hand is too long.
Frontier and spirit, always.
There you go.
I can walk.
You got a hot up? Oh, good. Sit down here.
Ow!
Sit down.
You got a hobble? I've got one up in my bag. Should be one in the glove box. Yeah, get it, and I'm like, you know, hey, bam. Stop. I'm gonna have to pull her legs back out.
This time what you'll be doing, I do it. Dumbass.
We've already told you what to do multiple times.
You ain't
I'm done playing with you.
once. Dumbass officer. Joy, thank you. But you still ain't telling me. I'm gonna make you feel good.
Who's it? Medlin.
Ugh, God. Yeah, so we get the first 4 rows undone, but we don't get anybody from behind her.
Yeah.
Flight attendant comes down and is like, yeah, she said nobody's going anywhere because she has an arm. I'm like, oh, dude. Like, now she's coming off the plane. I know she's full of crap, but
She said stupid things, and now we have more work to do.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to go back to the gate area.
do what? Okay. Were you asking questions?
What you got? My money on scared.
Do what?
What you got? Money on scared.
Yeah, we're gonna count your money. All right,
Together.
together.
Or at least.
We're gonna count it right up here on the way down to jail. Okay? Do you have anything on you?
What?
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons? Any drugs? Anything like that? Okay.
I need to make sure my motherfuckers get done.
Dispatch, go ahead and get a metro number for public intox to start, and then false reporting, and then, heaven forbid, if it's not a false report, then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure.
Disorderly resisting PI, false reporting.
Following the threat, Incident Command was activated and both TSA and the FBI were notified, while K9 and EOD teams conducted thorough sweeps of the aircraft and cargo. No explosive device was located, and the flight eventually departed after approximately a 2-hour delay. The woman was charged with false report bomb threat, which is a felony, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and public intoxication. Her bond was set at $31,000.
Okay. Yeah, man. It's always Spirit. It's like, man, when we see these airline things, Spirit, Frontier, those are the main two. It's just, I don't know. You know, something about that pay scale that they got going on there, you know, attracts just, you know, the lower class. Like, it's just, and then when you really even think about it, by the time you add in all the fees and stuff like that, it would be the same price as paying like a Southwest or American Airlines or something like that. You know, because all they doing is they're just separating everything. So you're paying extra for the bag, you're paying extra for the seat, you're paying extra for this and that. You know, places, those type of airlines only benefit you if you're flying like backpack only. You're not doing no check-in, backpack only, you know, don't mind sitting in the middle seat, you know, stuff like that. You know what I mean? My backpackers, you know what I'm saying? But for everybody else, by the time you add in all them little fees and this and that, and you paying damn near the same price for a regular flight. But anyways, she's a nut job. I don't know what she's under the influence of, but you could definitely tell she's under the influence of something. You could look in her eyes and be able to tell that. So, just for her to make those say those things, now you delaying everybody. 2 hours. I would be pissed. I've only been deboarded one time because of somebody, but it's just crazy. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm giving them a 5. I like the fact that he tried to not deboard the whole plane. Only the couple of rows that would be impacted. And then he got her together on his own, you know. Yeah, before backup even came, you know, got her together. So I like that. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the other officers did or how the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.